Kilmar Abrego Garcia was back in a Nashville court on Wednesday as a federal judge reviews a court ruling saying that the U.S. government didn't meet its burden to detain him before trial. This is unfolding at the same time that another federal judge intends to issue a ruling on whether Abrego Garcia can be captured by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement agents and shipped off to a third-party country, such as Sudan, if he were to be released on bail. The judge in that case, Paula Zinis, said her ruling would be available before Abrego Garcia's possible bail. Legal reporter Adam Klasfeld of All Rise News noted that if Zinis issues a ruling on the matter immediately before the bail release, it could give the government little to no time to appeal before Abrego Garcia is released. Meeting in court, the Justice Department called Homeland Security Investigations agent Peter Joseph to answer questions about the intentions of ICE for Abrego Garcia's release. U.S. District Judge Waverly D. Crenshaw Jr. will preside over the case and open the hearing by saying that he has reviewed all of the information from U.S. Magistrate Judge Barbara Holmes, who oversaw the grand jury investigation. Reporting on the hearing, Lawfare's Anna Bauer said that issue was Jose Hernandez Reyes, who was in federal custody for his own allegations. While in custody in April, after Abrego Garcia was sent to a brutal prison in El Salvador, Hernandez Reyes named Abrego Garcia as being involved in a possible smuggling ring. One informant that the DHS agent brought up claimed Abrego Garcia acted inappropriately with minor females. The judge asked who sat on this interview. It was here in Tennessee. The DHS agent claimed that the witness was an informant. The DHS agent, Joseph, went on to talk about allegations that came from the cooperator's ex-girlfriend, who said she overheard Abrego Garcia confess to participation in a murder. The Legal Information Institute defines hearsay as an out-of-court statement offered to prove the truth of whatever it asserts, which is then offered in evidence to prove the truth of the matter. With very narrow exceptions, hearsay is not allowed to prove charges in court. However, it's being allowed on Wednesday because it's a hearing about whether Abrego Garcia should be granted bail. Abrego Garcia's lawyer, Sean Hecker, managed to catch the agent in a number of inconsistencies. At one point, Klasfeld noted that the DHS agent repeatedly expressed disinterest in whether what Hernandez Reyes told other HSI agents is inconsistent with what Hernandez Reyes told him. Joseph went so far as to say that he never even reviewed previous comments from the cooperating witness to compare inconsistencies. In fact, to this day, he's never read any previous interviews with the cooperating witness. Klasfeld pointed out that Joseph claimed he was unaware of what Hernandez Reyes received for his cooperation with the Justice Department. However, he noted that when he interviewed Hernandez Reyes, it was toward the end of his 30-month sentence. Despite Hernandez Reyes not finishing his sentence, he was out of prison in a halfway house. Joseph confessed that it was atypical. Hecker's cross-examination of the witness has been blistering, said Klasfeld. Hecker established that the agent didn't cross-check the cooperator's account with his accounts to other agents. The cooperator, Hernandez Reyes, initially told the agent that Abrego did not have tattoos linked to MS-13. The agent claims that Hernandez Reyes added that the question was dangerous, but that detail wasn't in his notes, Hecker established. Joseph claimed, "I am by no means making it up." Klasfeld then noted that the allegations that he solicited images from a teen on Snapchat come from an account where the person self-identifies a birthday not belonging to Abrego. The DHS agent confessed he never knew Abrego's birthday. Anna Bauer noted a moment when the judge asked if it was possible that the cooperating witnesses could have coordinated their statements. "I mean, always possible. Their family," said Joseph. Still, he claimed they did not. See more comments here.